What if we can get some of this off of picnic tables, lawn chairs? You know what? Let's look at this. This is the website. It's called Doba. Welcome, I introduce you. So you see what I did was I went to the up top search bar of this incredible website, and this is going to connect you directly to the supplier and to the products you need without you ever touching anything. So they like the middleman. So when you go over here to Doba, I went up to the search bar and I typed in outdoor furniture. Okay, so during this outdoor furniture, you see tons of stuff comes up, and everything is in stock, by the way. You see, they have an outdoor sofa, they got 4-piece furniture sets. This is pretty cool. A day bed, if you're having parties and you see a lot of people that want to post about a lot of outdoor parties, right? There's a lot of outdoor events, festivals. Guess what? On TikTok, they got everything DIY you'd ever imagine. So why not repost some people's content there? Or you can buy one of these. You can remake the content. You can use AI, like we want to do, to make some of these videos talking about this specific product and have them people out in the yard. But moral of the story is they have all of these products, bro. Not only do they have access to all these products, they know how to get you in contact with the supplier. So look here, if you want to get this 3-piece outdoor wicker furniture, it's in stock. It'll be to the customer in 3 business days, and you can add it to your store, your inventory in 1 click. Come on, gang. Come on, gang, what we doing? I'm not your guru, do what you want, but I'm just saying this makes shit easy. You can go to Target, you can go to Amazon warehouse and buy, or go to Costco and buy tons of bulk stuff and resell it on the internet. Or you can never touch anything ever and make good content, repurpose good content that other people made, use AI to make content, and you can start selling these products and more right here from Doba. Look at this. They have a sale on the front porch swing. So right here, this is going to get to the person in 2 days. They got 8 pictures that come with this. So you press add to inventory list, and it'll literally go to your back end on the store. Not even that. I want to show you right here. When you go to the top, they have everything broken down with home and garden. You can see they got furniture, decor, kitchen, dining, patio, bedding. Bro, the list goes on and on. You see they got beauty and health. For those of y'all who want to be like my other client, Youth Lux, you can sell beauty products. They got fragrances, makeup, skincare, hair care. Everything you could think of is right here. And kind of disrespectful, nothing's under men's grooming, but they got stuff. They got electronics, computers, industrial. The list goes on and on. So I just want you to understand that they designed this to be a one-stop shop where they've paired it with AI. Let me show you how. So you also going to have the ability with an automatic AI listing optimizer. Now what this does is going to develop smart titles and descriptions for your product. So when you listen them on these websites or they're posted on your store, we got to make sure that the conversion text is good. You know, what's the sale words? What's the trigger words that's going to inspire people to buy? They also have SEO that's going to help you get boosted for better visibility. Now look at this. They got the AI product finder. That means they will find the products for you. You want to be an outdoor store, you're going to theme it about outdoors, and guess what? They're going to find the products for you. So not only do they have new products daily that come to Doba, it's always constantly updating. You can list it on your own terms, which means you can customize how the products appear on your store. They fully automate everything. So making it as much hands-free as possible for you. You just kind of get in contact with the AI and it does the rest. And they have a real-time inventory sync, which means if you're running low on something or the stock is running low on that product, they will let you know, and you will constantly be updated, or the customer will be updated on how many of those products are left. Oh, by the way, this is not financial information. Do what you want. I'm not your guru, but if you want this tool and you like it, everything's in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. You get it. So it's just 3 steps. You see they got the standard theme. They'll make your online store. They're going to pick 10 products for you. Bro, it don't get no simpler. 1 button. And another thing that separates Doba is they even made this Elite Academy. So you can level up by taking master courses. They got ebooks, educational videos, everything you need here. So if you want to talk to a person, your normal rep, right? You may not be able to get in contact with them, but guess what Doba has? They have a contact center where you can talk to people, but you can educate yourself with the master classes, with the ebooks and the educational videos here online, so they can show you how to sell, show you how to add things into your cart or add things into your store rather. And they could even maybe show you how to become a supplier or get in contact with suppliers. So another thing I like about Doba, especially for all y'all out there, I don't get into all these different stores, but if you got a TikTok shop, guess what? They got something for you. Shopify, Temu, Amazon, eBay, Wix, Walmart, Square, all these things listed right here, they'll connect with your store that you already have existing. So you see they got all kinds of back to school specials and stuff, whether you're in college or you in high school or elementary, they have all different things. Polo Red, I mean, they got cologne, all sorts of stuff on here, bro. It's elite. So if you want to connect any of your products here, start selling online, I suggest checking out Doba. I mean, the account is free to sign up. I'll have everything listed for you in the description that you need to see. And again, why not let AI or at least technology do some of the helping with you? So they have the top TikTok shop selections, the top Temu selections, the top ranking, the highest profit products for you. Rather than spending all that time on Netflix or on a video game doing nothing, why don't you come here and get a little of this paper? You feel me? Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this tool in the comments. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.